Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about diffusion. So what is diffusion? Diffusion is a process where molecules of material move from an area of higher concentration, means where there are many molecules, to an area of lower concentration, means where there are fewer molecules, until it has reached equilibrium. Diffusion usually happens in a solution in a gas, a liquid, and occasionally colloids. It is possible to see diffusion happening when two liquids are mixed in a transparent container. It describes the constant movement of particles in all liquids, gases, and colloids. These particles move in all directions, bumping into each other. For example, a sugar cube is left in a beaker of water for a while. The smell of ammonia spreads from the front of a classroom to the back of the room. Fumes of perfume rise from the bottle when the top is removed. Food coloring dropped on the beaker spread out. The smell of food spread in the whole house. Molecules tend to move from places of higher concentration to places of lower concentration just by moving randomly. For example, there is more oxygen in a lung than there is oxygen in the blood, so oxygen molecules will tend to move in the blood. Similarly, there is more carbon dioxide molecules in the blood than in the lungs, so carbon dioxide molecules will tend to move into lungs. It happens in cell biology, where small molecules simply diffuse through the cell membrane, but larger molecules only get through by using energy. So, diffusion is a passive process, therefore does not require energy as it occurs down a concentration gradient. Osmosis and heat transfer are types of diffusion. I hope so you got this simple concept about diffusion. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel.